Hi, my name's Chantal Baker and today I'm going to be creating a daytime makeup look using the new Bondi Sands GLO Lights on the beautiful Tess. So I'm going to start off by using 2 shades of foundation. I like to use 2 shades to really create the perfect base and the perfect colour. Just squirting a little bit of the darker one and a touch of the lighter one. So as a makeup artist, I always do this, I always mix colours. I'm going to be using the gold lights into the foundation. So I've got the 3 colours mixed in and I'm basically just using a blending brush and I'm just going to be buffing that onto the skin to create a beautiful glowy finish. Start off in the centre of the face. That's where I want the most coverage, and then I lightly blend outwards. So the product really goes a long way. You don't really need to use a lot of the illuminator highlighter, and make sure you get around near the ears, right under the jaw. And that's just giving you a base, just a really beautiful glow. And it's just a perfect daytime look. It gives your skin that healthy looking finish. So the next product I'm going to be using, gorgeous, is Pearl Lights. And I'm going to use this all on the high planes of the face and create a really beautiful highlight. So using a flat brush, I'm just going to pop it onto the cheekbone. Just dabbing the product. Make sure you don't go too far in. You just kind of want to stop when your eye ends. And it's such a gorgeous colour. So it looks really glowy and healthy. And this colour is universal, so it'll suit any skin tone. It's buildable and it's super creamy. It all really depends on how intense you want to glow, really. So the next product I'm going to use is the GLO Lights in the bronze. And I'm going to use this on the eyelid. So with the fingertip, it dries really easily as well. So I'm just going to dab that all over the eyelid. The bronze colour, it's like a golden colour. It's not too orange. Dabbing into the eye area and taking that all the way sort of up to the brow bone. A little bit goes a long way, so you don't need to use a huge amount. I'm going to come back in and I'm going to use the Pearl Lights just in the inner corner of the eye just to make them pop. So using a small brush to get precision, and I'm really just going to pop the inner corner of the eye for that really beautiful glowy finish. And I'm also going to place a little of that colour just under the brow using the same brush. Give your lashes a good curl, add mascara for that perfect daytime bronzy look. I'm going to add some bronzer just to add that really beautiful beachy glow, and it's just going to lift all that highlighting here. It's perfect for the daytime. I'm also going to take some a little onto the chest area. So I'm going to use the GLO Lights in the gold and just using a buffing brush. I'm just going to take that just on the décolletage area. So nice for summer. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more of the Pearl Lights onto the lip. And then I'm going to contour the lip with a beautiful nude liner. So you want to leave that gorgeous glow through the center. So I'm just colouring the outer corners, and you can see how I've left that center part using the pearl. And then I'm going to finish with some lip gloss. So I'm just dabbing a little lip gloss in there. And that's created like a really pretty lip colour. Gorgeous! Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial that I did on the gorgeous Tess. The GLO Lights range is so easy to use and incorporate into your makeup look. Comment below. I'd love to hear comments, or if you've got any questions, please let us know. Thank you. Bye.